The wig from WESTKISS. It is originally a body wave wig, okay? It looks a little puffy because it was like packaged up, but this is how the wig looks. If you want to wear your wig in the natural state, this is the natural state of the hair, which is body wave. The hair is really full. That's one thing I love about WESTKISS. The lace is a little light, so I will be showing you guys how I bleached the lace and everything. I'm going to show you guys from start to finish on how I prep my wigs, because I don't show that part, so I'm going to show you guys. So first up first is we're going to go ahead and dye this wig. I don't normally dye my wigs, but with this particular wig, I want to dye it a more black color, like a more jet black color, because I plan on straightening this wig out. So I want it to look very sleek. So I'm going to go ahead and do the watercolor method, and yeah. Okay, I'm just going to use this little plastic container here. I'm going to fill it up with hot water. Some people boil the water, but I don't feel like it's necessary. It does the same thing. As long as your water is super hot, you should be okay, good to go. Okay, so yeah. And I'm going to use this Kiss Jet Black Semi Dye because it's just easy. I want to use that. That should be enough. Then stir it up a little bit. Take your wig. Guys, I'm going to add a little bit more. I have a new bottle, so I want to add a little bit more of this dye. And I'm going to like dye a couple of wigs at one time. If you have more than one wig, just dye. If you like your hair jet black, just dye it all at once, so you don't have to worry about doing this again. So I have another wig that I'm going to dye as well. Oh my god, this is so black. Yeah, that's pretty black. So let that sit. And the color that I'm using is jet black. These are semi-permanent dyes. They don't last forever, but that's okay. I don't wash my wigs that often, so it should be okay. My wig is already conditioned and it's out of our little concoction, okay? So I'm gonna take 30 developer and a little of BW2, and I'm gonna get it to the consistency that I like. So let's do let's do about that right now. Add a little bit developer and mix it up. Okay guys, so I made my little 30 developable. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and make my little bleach, and I am dyeing my frontal. I'm dyeing the lace wig. I'm bleaching the knots so the knots can turn more of an orangey brown type of color. I use BW2 and I use 30 developer. These are the things I use. This is the consistency I went with. Not too watery, but just right, okay? Make sure you use gloves because this stuff will eat through your skin. I don't have any gloves on, but I kind of know how it works. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for about 20 minutes, and then yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for about 20 minutes, okay? We have dyed the unit, bleached the unit. I did a little bit of plucking on the unit, but I just wanted to show you guys how I dyed my units. It came out like a natural black, but not as light as it was. So it was like a 1B at first. Now, well, it was like a number 2, but now I feel like it's like a natural black 1B, which is cool. If I would have left the dye on more, it would have dyed more. As far as the lace, it did get tinted a little bit. I don't know, I thought the got to be, sometimes it protected, sometimes it don't, because I did another wig and it got to be sprayed, definitely protected, but this one it did tint it, so it is a little darker. And I just flat ironed the unit a little bit. It's super long and luxe, y'all. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. So this is how I basically prep my wig. So this is how I basically style it on the mannequin head. I usually, in order to get my wigs as flawless as I think I have them, I do style them on the mannequin head, and then once I put them on, you guys will see. So yeah. And I moussed everything down. I love mousse, y'all. Mousse is like the key. I haven't hot combed this yet. Sorry about my background. I haven't hot combed this yet, but you don't have to. You can hot comb it on your head. But I did mousse it so everything can be like flat, okay? So, let's install it. You guys, so here is the finished look. This is about a week later. I just reinstalled this wig. But this is how this wig looked, you guys. So basically, I didn't show you guys how I put it on because I put it on the same exact way that I always put it on. I'll leave a link down below showing you guys me putting on a WESTKISS wig, but it's the same exact way. Basically, with this video, I just wanted to show you guys how I prep my wig before I put them on. So here's the wig here. I absolutely love it. This hair is super long, y'all. Like over the top long. This is a body wave wig, but I made it a straight wig. And I like using body wave wigs sometimes to do my straight look, because body wave is a little thicker than straight wigs because it has like a little wave to it, but it's straightened really pretty. So this is how the hair look, you guys. I used my Ghost Bond glue to apply it, and I also used the new Got To Be spray as well. This one I got it from Amazon. But yeah, check out WESTKISS. You guys know I absolutely love WESTKISS. So let me know if this video helped you guys prep your wigs. My key to getting a flawless install is to prep your wig before you put on your wig, then put on your wig. Prep it, style it before you put on your wig. When I say prep it, that means bleach it, dye it, dry it, style it on the mannequin head, then put it on your hair. It just makes then put it on your head. It just makes it a lot more easier. You guys, sorry about the makeup in my nails. I just did my makeup, so yeah. This hair is so long. So you guys go ahead and check out WESTKISS. I love you guys. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you later.